Hi, my name is Matt Liu. This is my third and final milestone. I am a rising senior at Cupertino High School. So right here is a modified spray bottle. It's just a normal spray bottle, anything you can find in like a Home Depot or a dollar store or something. And right here, there's two servos that are taped together, which are tied to the trigger of the bottle here using this metal wire. And these servos turn in order to pull this wire and pull this trigger. And then these servos are then wired to this breadboard over here. And on this breadboard, there's an Arduino, which is a model Nano 33 cents, which is important because this model in specific has a microphone, which we'll be using. And on this breadboard, we have a pretty simple circuit in which the servos can be activated. And then this Arduino is then plugged into my laptop, where I can control everything using some C++ code. So yeah, the hardware isn't too complicated, but yeah. And so with this hardware design, actually, I struggled a lot with determining how to pull this nozzle because there's a variety of techniques I could have used. For example, one idea that I first started with was attaching a string to this nozzle and to this servo right here and attaching near the bottom and trying to pull it. But this method was way too unstable. The string wasn't strong enough, and that idea I discarded pretty quickly. Another idea I had was to use rubber bands and similarly use a rubber band to connect this to this, but that didn't work either because the rubber band's way too elastic, so it didn't have enough force to actually pull this. And I think one of the biggest things I struggled with mechanically is just knowing when you need to actually tape everything down, because these servos can only apply their strength when they're like not moving. So just using like normal tape or like weak glue isn't enough to hold it in place, so I really had to like buckle down on it in order to make sure that it could apply force to this, and even then it can barely pull it enough. So yeah, that's a big thing that I learned through doing this.